Alam mo ba na may mga kumpanya na nagbabawas na ng tao because of AI? Walang announcement, walang ingay, pero may mga companies ngayon na hindi na nag-hire kasi napapalitan na ng AI. Yung dating team na 5, ngayon, isa na lang, plus AI. And here's what's scary. Hindi ka nila agad tatanggalin. It will happen slowly. Less task, less value, hanggang isang araw, optional ka na lang. So hindi siya question na mawawala ba yung trabaho dahil sa AI? Ang tanong is, pag dumating ba yung oras na yon, kailangan ka pa ba? Definitely, hindi lahat ng trabaho mawawala. Pero yung mga madaling palitan, yun ang unang mawawala. So, if you want to stay relevant, grow your income, and be ahead, ito yung mga high-income skills na dapat mong i-build ngayon pa lang. Number 1, sales and persuasion. Kung marunong kang magbenta, kahit anong produkto, service, or idea, you will always have income. Because sales is the survival of any business. Number 2, content creation and personal branding. Kapag marunong kang mag-capture ng attention ng tao at mag-build ng trust, ikaw yung hahanapin at hindi ikaw yung maghahanap. Third, we have the digital and AI skills. Huwag kang matakot sa AI. I-master mo siya to your advantage. Yung marunong gumamit ng AI, sila yung mas mabilis, mas efficient, and mas valuable. Number 4, financial literacy and investing. Hindi ka lang dapat marunong kumita, dapat marunong ka ding magpalago, dahil ito yung magtatanggal sa'yo sa workforce in the long term. Number 5, communication and storytelling. Yung marunong mag-explain, marunong mag-connect at mag-influence. Kung sila yung napapakinggan, sila yung susundan at sila yung babayaran. Next ay yung high-value problem solving. Kung kaya mong mag-solve ng problems na may epekto sa kita ng isang negosyo, you become hard to replace. Next, hindi mawawala, leadership skills and people skills. AI can definitely assist tasks, pero hindi niya kayang mag-lead ng tao with vision and empathy. Leaders will always win. Number 8, negotiation skills. Hindi lang dapat marunong kang magtrabaho. Dapat marunong ka ring mag-value ng sarili mo. The better you negotiate, the higher you earn. And of course, systems thinking and process building. Yung marunong gumawa ng systems, hindi lang sila nagtatrabaho. Sila yung nagpapadali ng trabaho ng lahat. And companies pay big for that. Actually, hindi mo kontrolado kung gaano kabilis mag-e-evolve ang mundo. But you know what you can control? Kontrolado mo kung magiging outdated ka ba o magiging in-demand ka. Kasi in this day and age, hindi na siya pasipagan lang. Ang labanan ngayon ay yung may high income skill set. If you want to start building income while developing these skills na hindi ka lang nakaasa sa iisang source, message me. I'll help you take your first step to number 1.